Then in today's trading session, interesting it sure has been. While many may not be convinced with the texture of the market right now, no doubt there is a lot of green on the screen. So wrapping up above the 10,000 mark and quite comfortably at that, a 2% notch up on the index. The Sensex 700 points closing with quite a flourish, and the broader markets too have participated with quite a bit of fervor. The Nifty Bank, that index is up 700 odd points. You've got metals, energy, as well as media, real estate, you name it, all sectors quite enthused in today's trading session. The top gainers on the frontline index, and you're seeing participation from the likes of Bajaj Finserv. Coal India has been active today. Bajaj Finance, Vedanta, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, ITC, RIL still holding fort at 1663. Hindalco and NTPC, some of the other outperformers, while TCS, HUL, Airtel and Asian Paints have lagged behind. It's been a number of newsmakers today. You've got those telecom stocks, the PSUs that have been in focus as a reprieve coming in with the DOT withdrawing the 96% AGR dues demanded. This is from the state-owned firms. Meantime, a lot of those metals and coal stocks active, reforms from the government saying that they will pave the way for Atmanirbhar Bharat with respect to the unveiling of the commercial coal mining. BHEL has been on a tear. Volumes have been very upbeat. Comments from Anil Agarwal that he said that the firm can produce the world's best power plants and help cut dependency on China. Meantime, you also have some of those housing finance companies active as the RBI's proposal on draft norms. 50% of assets must be housing loans, 75% qualifying assets must be retail home loans. So you've got that entire basket that has been active. Cummins India, it's been a disappointing set of quarterly numbers. The management has refrained from any guidance, and that's kept the stock under pressure. You've got Muthoot reacting to its quarterly numbers. HEG, a loss this quarter. Fortis Healthcare, a mixed bag, but it's been a loss of 41 crore rupees. IPCA is on CLSA sell radar. Pidilite has seen an encouraging set of quarterly numbers, pretty much all round barring the PAT performance. From the broader universe then, as I said, neck to neck with the frontliners. So you've got the mid caps going home with a 1.2% close, and the small caps up 1.5%. Take a look at ITI, something like Jindal Saw, Minda Corp, Hindustan Copper, JK Paper, MMTC, Jindal Stainless, as well as E-Clerks. Fabulous gains being witnessed there. On the flip side, a little bit of red on Lemon Tree, Zensar Tech, Cummins, NMDC, LIC Housing Finance, as well as Bayer Crop.